I had a hard time trying to figure out all of this information and I couldn't find one single clean source. Now the second adapter, if you are an LCI car already and have the original Halos, which has a different style plug, and you're plugging into the new style and the new headlights. So you'll need this adapter if you have an LCI car to plug your existing Halos in to the new Halo plug. But in addition, so if you're just wondering about all the extra wiring I've got here, in addition, we also have an LED halo light, which makes it, instead of the kind of that yellowy halo, it makes it that brilliant white of the modern cars. And it has its own plug here as well. So I've tapped into this to provide power and ground out to the Halos. Here's the other end that will plug in at the Halos themselves, and you tap in exactly the same, and then this will plug into the new LED bulb. Now, I really like these kind of splice taps. Now, I left this one open so you can see it. You feed in the line on one side that you're using, you feed in the line that you're tapping, your branching line on the other, and then you take a pair of pliers and press down this locking plate. It pierces through the cover of the wire, locks them in nice and tight. I always pull on my spliced wire to make sure that it's in, and then you just lock this cover down. Now the other thing I'm going to do is I'm going to use a little bit of electrical tape, and I'm going to wrap all this up so it looks good and it's all nice and intact. And then my splices here are probably about 8 inches to get from the corner here up to the top right here where the Halo is. It's probably a little bit of extra wire, but it's not bad. So I wanted, before I wrapped this all up and made it look all nice, neat, and clean and protected it with a little bit of electrical tape, I wanted to make sure you could see it, and this made sense. You need a Y, or a branch, to get power to your Halos if you're coming from a pre-LCI car. I had a hard time trying to figure out all of this information and I couldn't find one single clean source. So if I can be that for you and help, that's great. Okay, so in your adapter, for the corner lights, you use brown for ground. In BMWs, brown is almost always ground, and blue is almost always power. Use in your adapter, use the loop back center power line to tap. And then your Halos will turn on when you turn your headlights into running, or into running light mode or full headlight mode. Your Halos will turn on.